Een collectieve ervaring van muziek is toch heel anders dan die van jou alleen in de studio. Dat is niet inwisselbaar, dat kun je niet op een andere manier ervaren.
Het maakt je nederig om zulke etniciteit te mogen meemaken. Dat er een soort van energie die groter is dan jouw kleine zelfje door jou heen kan stromen. En dan gebeurt er iets heel magisch.
I saw that the future was way more prismatic if I embraced this family model with these guys.
When I hear the music that we make, I think it's also, I hear family, I hear community, I hear lineage, I hear indebtedness to the great creators who have approached work and sound before us.
Music for me is everything. It's vulnerable, it's impactful, it keeps you alive, it's the pulse, it's life.
I think that a festival like Birds of Paradise brings together a lot of interesting music in one place and gives us a deadline to create, and we have to present this work now, and I think that is always exciting to be kind of thrown into a situation.
As a musician, you spent your life kind of fitting into boxes, and it's very often there's kind of frames in which you need to fill, which can be exciting, but I think that sort of energy and sort of freedom that comes with a festival like Birds of Paradise is essential and important for Voices of Today.